Alright YouTube, I'm back. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I sniped a bird here. So we're gonna show you how to breast this thing out and then get on with the video. Alright. Okay, so I shot this one in the neck right there. And now, so I'm gonna spread apart the feathers. And there's one bone in the middle. Okay? And that bone, you want to cut to the side of that. Just to the side. Want to get down to the skin. Remove some of these feathers that are in the way. Then we gotta get down to the skin. Nice and warm down in there. There we go. I know y'all can't see the greatest. Gonna be kind of tough since the bird's so small and there's so many feathers. Let me try to get it split open a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now we could see the center meat. You see, that's the breast of it. Right there. So we gotta get around the main bone. Just right next to that. I'll just skin the rest of this. Be gone, skin. Chop that off. Put another little dice. Okay, so right there, that's the breast. Now that's the stuff that we want. So we gotta remove the rest of the skin around it, you know. Clean off our knife. Keep going. Okay, so down there, that's the diaphragm, that yellowy part. You could see that. Down to the meat, we gotta just keep skinning. Here we go. Now we're making some progress. Almost done. You can see that it's removed lots of the feathers and skin. So we just gotta go a bit further. Oh, down there, if you didn't notice that, that's its butt. That's why there's some seeds going out of it. So when I shot it, it was probably getting ready to take a shit. So now, just cut the rest of that out. Alright, now there goes the head and neck. Want to remove that. See, here we go. And now, just gotta get the rest of the breast out. It's as easy as that. Just gotta cut around the wing bones. Try not to cut the breast up. Too many feathers with these small birds. Alright, so you see the wings? Now we could remove the wings. There we go. Wings, wing one removed. Alrighty, and now we have good, decent access to the rest of the bird. Fuck. Hands are covered in goddamn feathers. Alright. So now we just have to get the rest of the skin off. shit. Alright, here goes the other wing. Those are on good. Wing's going. There we go, that's last wing. Alright, there we go. Got the breast now, that's ready to throw in the freezer. Of course, you would remove the rest of the bird, but I don't really feel like wrestling with the leg bones and shit, but pretty much done. Just get off the rest of the skin so y'all can see the meat. Arby's, we have the meat. So that's the breast, that's what you would eat. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment what I should do next, and see you in the next one.